Hello everyone, this is Shagun Singh, and this time we are going to do an experiment to see the Tyndall effect. So here we have incense as the source of a smoke, and here a smoke is going to act as a colloidal. So let us see what will happen if we will pass a beam of light through this smoke. So let us switch off the light for this experiment. So it is clearly visible that when the beam of light is passed through the smoke, it is getting scattered and is visible properly. This scattering of light in the colloidal is known as Tyndall effect. So I hope this video was a little helpful to you. Thank you very much for watching.